Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogecoin. Whales alert. 32 billion Doge transacted to rack up $4.4 billion in volumes. Dogecoin whales are an interesting entity as they make an appearance very rarely during a bear market, and then go back into indolence, to only reappear a month later. Dogecoin whales are back. That is the case with March, as 48 hours ago was the first time since February's spike that Doge whales were active again, and the total Doge volume moved around on-chain shot up to $4.4 billion. But unlike the previous spike, this rise lasted for a day longer, during which cumulatively about 32 billion Doge was observed to have been transacted. This kind of behavior is surprising since these whales used to be very active during the initial rally of November, and since they also occupy almost 50% of the entire Doge supply, some movement is expected out of them. But just like the retail investors, they once cared to be active during an opportune moment. The reason behind this spike could have simply been the 5-day-long rally Dogecoin noted over the week since, on the developmental front, the meme coin continues to stay true to its nature by doing nothing new. The price action, on the other hand, after failing to break the previous downtrend wedge, continued to remain stuck under the downtrend, attempting a breakout after a month. Although the possibility of the altcoin achieving it seems to be very slim. And even if Doge does test it as support, the coin has the long-standing resistance of $0.192 in its way before a recovery could begin in a true sense. Plus, the coin will need more than just cues from the broader market, since such signals haven't been particularly effective in the past. Furthermore, price indicators aren't displaying bullishness either. The average directional index, ADX, crossed the threshold of 25.01 since 2022 began, which is why neither of the uptrends has been able to gain strength to last longer than they have. This is another reason why, unlike other altcoins, Doge is on a straight path downward instead of noting some fluctuation. Ref. Dogecoin price action image. Regardless, a rally doesn't concern about 29 million Doge holders since their supply is already in profit. It is the other 38.61% holders that are in dire need of rescue, which would come only when the downtrend is first invalidated. Dogecoin price has been on the rise for the past day. While the meme coin is prone to rallies like this, there has been an obvious reason. Dogecoin had received a nod from Finch company Bitcoin of America after it announced that it would be adding the meme coin to the list of cryptocurrencies supported at its machines. This just made it easier for investors to purchase the digital asset whenever they need. Dogecoin at an ATM near you. Fintech company Bitcoin of America has one of the largest collections of cryptocurrency ATMs which are spread across the United States. These ATMs, which number up to 1,800, allow users to be able to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies at their convenience by using a debit card or just buying them with cash. With the announcement from Bitcoin of America, Dogecoin has now joined the line of cryptocurrencies that can be purchased at these machines. Previously, customers could only purchase Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, the last of which had support added last year in October. Dogecoin now joins this list, bringing the meme coin closer to millions of investors around the country. These universal kiosks are available in over 31 states in the country, serve a good portion of the US crypto population. Such a move on the part of a large player in the Bitcoin ATM space, or BTMs, is nothing short of incredible news for the meme coin, making it onto the list ahead of other big players such as Cardano, Tether, and even Shiba Inu, its fiercest competitor. Price response. Prior to the announcement, the price of Dogecoin had been struggling. Although it had moved in tandem with the market during the recent recovery, it did not really record the better part of the surge until after the news from Bitcoin of America had dropped. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest.